Alright, a morning walk with Miss Remi. Good girl. Cool tractor. We made it to the dog park this morning with Miss Remi. Remi met a dog named Chewy, and they actually did really good. Both of them, they are so cute. Aw, and now she's taking a morning nap. Golf cart time, and yes, Miss Remi's with us. She loves the golf cart. She is so cute. It was fun. So cute. She does love the golf cart, and just beautiful. There she is on her chair. Adorable. Some water and some food. She's finally eating her dinner. Good girl. Isn't she adorable? Aw, so cute. Roasting marshmallows before the storm. Yummy, s'more. Don't worry, she's on the porch. She's so cute. Aw. Alright, we're at the dog park, everyone. Remi's gonna go potty. Right, Remi? Be good girl. I guess the storm stopped. Kind of rained a little bit, and now it's done. Sweet dreams, Remi. See you in the morning.